Hey, welcome back. Today I've got a super fun Canva design hack for you. How to create a stunning 3D phone pop-out effect right inside Canva. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your images jump out of a phone frame, grabbing attention for social media, shorts, thumbnails, or anywhere you want a modern, eye-catching design. Let's jump right in and get creative together. First things first, open up your Canva project and head straight to the Elements tab. Here, where the magic begins, go ahead and search for a background image that really sets the vibe for your design. Think about what's going to look good behind your phone. Nature, city lights, a fun pattern, whatever fits your theme. Once you've found the right one, simply right-click and select Set as Background. That's going to fill your whole canvas, giving you a nice starting point. Setting it as the background locks it in, so it won't move around as you build on top of it, a small step, but it really helps keep everything tidy later on. Now let's add the phone frame. Head back up to Elements and this time type in phone frame in the search box. You'll find a bunch of options. Choose one that matches the style you want, maybe a modern iPhone frame or something a bit more abstract. Drag it out onto your canvas. This frame is where your pop-out magic going to happen. Placing the phone frame helps establish the focus of your design, almost like setting the stage in a theater before the main actor arrives. Next, it's time to insert the main image, the one you want popping out of the phone. Go back to Elements once again, or you can upload your own image if you like. Find that image and drag it right into your phone frame. Canva's smart enough to snap your image inside the frame. Think of it like slipping a photo into a picture frame. If it doesn't snap in automatically, just drop it right over the center. Once you've got it in there, click on the image and then look for the little lock icon. Give it a click. Locking the image means it won't accidentally move when you're arranging the other layers. This is especially helpful so the image stays exactly within the frame, even as you add more elements. Don't worry if your image looks a bit funny right now, trust the process. Now for the fun part that brings this whole effect to life. Go back to Elements and find that exact same image again. This time we're going to make it pop out. Drag it onto your canvas and with it selected, look up for the background remover tool typically found in the top bar. Click BG Remover and watch as Canva works its magic, cutting out your subject from the background. This bit might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. If it leaves a couple of fuzzy edges or misses a spot, you can tweak the mask with Canva's brush tools, but usually it gets it spot on. Now with your isolated subject, you can resize, tilt, and move it so it dramatically bursts out of the phone frame, like it's breaking the border between reality and your design. Feel free to get creative here. Most people angle the pop-out image a bit or let part of it extend above and beyond the phone. If your subject is a hand, a pet, or a product, make sure the most interesting part is sticking out. A good tip is to match the shadows and colors to your background if you want an extra polished look. Once you've lined everything up and you're happy with how it looks, you're ready to share your eye-catching design. Click the Share button, then choose Download. I recommend downloading as a PNG for the best quality. There you have it, your very own 3D phone pop-out effect on Canva, ready to wow your followers and make your content stand out in the feed. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, drop your questions or design tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and creative Canva hacks like this. Thanks for watching.